Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a nice little fun program for you. Creating a little login program, and if you enter the wrong password it will create a text file on your desktop saying that it's a failed login. So let's start off. Let's create a subroutine called login program. Okay, I'm going to create a password. So it's going to be my scalar password. I'm going to assign it to a password. Let's do admin123, safest password in the world. Right, so now I'm going to create another scalar variable called login. Assign it to prompt, and then a message to the user, so the user will type in their password and this will get it for them. So simply enter password. Okay, now we're going to have to use a conditional to evaluate this using if. So if the scalar login is equal to scalar password, then we're going to have to do something. I'm going to print out, say, password correct. Okay, so if the enter admin123, it's going to say password is correct. I'm also going to print them another message, say quitting program. And then we're going to type in exit here, or else. If that's not the case, if they've typed in a wrong password, we're going to have to tell them. Say password, I'm going to put scalar login there, is incorrect. Try again. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, we're going to type in error message here, which will take us to another subroutine, which I'm going to create underneath. So it's going to be starting here, sub error message. So this is the new subroutine. Okay everybody, this is the error message. So first of all, I'm going to create a path to my desktop. So this is a scalar variable, desktop path. Okay, and assign it to my desktop path, which is c/users desktop. So that's my desktop path there. It won't be your desktop path, so you'll have to find out your own unique desktop path. Okay, all we have to do now is use chdr, change directory to the desktop path. So that will change the directory now to the desktop path. And this is where we're going to create our file. So create my scalar file name, assign to open, and we'll give it a name. We'll just call it error .txt because it's a txt file. And then we'll put this flag in here, which will create it. That will create a file. So it's going to create a file on our desktop here. And then we're going to do scale of file name. .print. And inside here, we're going to add some text into our txt file. Failed login. Okay, and then we're going to close the file, which is always good practice. Close. Okay, and I'm just going to print a message to the user. It's going to say something like, what can I say? File created here. So I'm going to add in the desktop path here. So that's the desktop path. So it'll tell us where the file has been created. Just going to save it there. And now we're going to run it. So I'm going to do Raku, new.raku, hit enter. Oops, it's not doing anything because I've not called it. We have to call the program, so that's login program. So this is login program here, and just going to run this. New.raku. Okay, so I'm going to enter the password here. I'm going to enter a password that's wrong, so I'm just going to type in any old nonsense. Hit enter. Okay, so it tells me that this password is incorrect. Try again. It also tells me that the file is created here on my desktop, so let's go and have a look at that. Okay, here is the file. Let's open it, and it says failed login. Okay, let's run it again. New.raku. Hit enter. Okay, let's enter the other password. Admin123. Hit enter. There we go. It says password is correct and quitting the program because we used exit here to quit the program. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.